sitting with the 1931 Model J Duesenberg with a Derham Tourster body. It's one of Buehrig's most fantastic designs, design and simplicity. My name's Don McLellan, and I've been at RM Auto Restoration here for over 30 years. The company's over 40 years old, and I'm a partner here, and we have over 30 people here in the restoration shop, full of fantastic craftsmen that take working on these cars to heart. Our crew has done restoration work on cars throughout the years that have won concours restorations, hundreds, literally hundreds of restoration awards. Best in shows, best in class. And I'm privileged to say that our guys have won Best of Show at Pebble Beach 6 times. Some of the great body feature designs on this car were the design of the windshields, both front and the rear windshields. The front one, where the glass cuts straight into the cowl with no chrome border on it. It's something you don't see on any car. Another great part was the rear windshield, where it's a crank down windshield. It doesn't have to fold down and be a clunky design. It's a very clean design. This was a very straightforward, easy restoration, where when we pulled the body off the chassis, we really found that everything was in excellent condition. The chassis never had any rust. The body and sheet metal were super solid, and we were able to retain all of the original sheet metal. And the wood inside, the structural wood inside, was very solid, only needing to be cleaned and glued. No wood was really replaced. We finished the restoration in 2011 and prepped it for the Auburn Court Duesenberg National Meet, where it was shown and it won not only Best Duesenberg, but Best in Show. And then the following year, took it to Pebble Beach, where again, it won its class and was the runner-up for Best in Show. The restoration, even though it was 10 years ago, has held up exceedingly well, and it looks today like it did when we finished the car. In fact, I wouldn't hesitate to get in this car and drive it across the country on a Duesenberg tour. It runs so well.